Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to maximize your earnings and get the best batches as an Instacart shopper. Let's get started. First, open the Instacart app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on profile on the top of your screen, then tap on settings. Now scroll down and tap on become a shopper and sign in as a shopper. If you work as a shopper for Instacart, these tips can help you make more money and work smarter. First, shop during busy hours. The best times are early morning, lunchtime, evening, and weekends. These are when more customer place orders and better paying batches appear. Second, stay close to busy stores. Position yourself near large grocery store, popular supermarket, or stores with many orders. Being close help you see batches faster and reduce driving time. Third, keep a high rating. Always be polite and professional. Communicate with customer about replacement, delivery on time, and ratings help you see better batches. Next, choose batches carefully. Look at total pay, number of items, distance delivered. Sometimes a smaller order with less driving makes more money per hour than a large one. Also, avoid unnecessary replacements. Follow customer instruction carefully. This leads to better tips and positive reviews. And that's it. That's how to maximize earnings and get the best batches as a Instacart shopper. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.